In today's video, I'm going to teach you Confluence Basics, how to create an organized, collaborative team space. First, open Confluence and create a clear space for your team, project, or documentation. Think of a space as your central hub. Give it a concise, descriptive name so people know exactly what lives there, and write a short space description to set expectations. Use the home page to greet visitors with a brief overview, links to key pages, and the most important context, like your project goals or where to find the latest plans. Next, organize your content with parent pages and child pages. The parent page acts like a folder, and child pages keep related information neatly grouped. For example, you might have a parent page called Project Documentation, and underneath it, child pages for requirements, designs, and testing. Keep page titles clear and consistent, and avoid cramming everything into a single long page. A tidy page tree helps everyone scan, navigate, and contribute with confidence. For repeated work, use templates. Confluence includes ready-made templates for meeting notes, project plans, and status reports. Templates save time and create consistency across your team. Customize them with the fields you always use, like objectives, decisions, and action items, so every new page starts structured and complete. Add labels so pages are easier to search. Labels act like keywords that improve discoverability. Choose a simple, consistent set of labels for your space, such as the project name, document type, or sprint number. Use the same spelling and format each time so filters and search results stay clean and meaningful. Collaborate through comments, mentions, and tasks. Use inline comments to discuss a specific sentence or section without changing the page's content. Mention teammates with the symbol to draw their attention and convert action items into tasks with owners and due dates so nothing gets lost. Keep decisions visible on the page to reduce side conversations and align the team. When needed, link Jira issues or other tools. Paste an issue key or use smart links to connect requirements, tickets, and documentation in context. This traceability helps teammates jump from a plan to the exact task or bug, reducing back and forth and keeping work moving. Finally, review and update pages regularly so your information stays accurate. Set a simple cadence to check key pages, update stale details, and archive what's no longer relevant. A living knowledge base builds trust, reduces duplicate questions, and keeps your team focused on delivery.